yeah, I just woke up. I mean, no, I woke up earlier. I want to brush my teeth and everything, wash up. My allergies still kick my butt, so I look so weird. Anyways, enough about me. Today, we are on a time crunch. I just checked the weather app and it says that it's supposed to thunderstorm around 5 to 6 p.m. The wind isn't supposed to pick up till the afternoon, so that means we have time this morning to actually go out and search for, like, you know, walleyes, bass, pike, muskie, whatever. I'll try not to die out there. I'll take some Zyrtex that my buddy gave me, and it should be good. Thank you guys for always taking along, always watching my videos, and just being supportive. So I'm just trying to survive here. So yeah, so let's get out there and let's make it happen.
You said rocky. Oh shoot, I don't want. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff that was attacking my tail, dude.
Huh? Oh yeah, there's fish out here. You can see them on the grass. Whoa, whoa, whoa! See? Muskie, 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 muskie! Oh my gosh! Did you guys see that? Oh my gosh, that was a muskie, dude. I watched him grab it. How? How do you miss? Look, you see all the teeth marks?
Nice.
What the heck? That's a big old muskie, dude. Here we go. Just make a couple casts here.
Time. Don't worry about.
Got him.
Oh.
It's a walleye, dude. I told you. Yes, dude, we got an eater.
Yeah.
We got him. That's an eater, dude. I was like, dude, I see fish over there, bro. Like, come on, man. You gotta eat crayfish, right? That's an eater right there. Yes. We won't starve today. Ah, dude, what the heck? Pokey as heck. All right, fine. You know what? Do what you gotta do. Do it. There he goes. Damn, 16 and a half.
Nice.
Because one is over 18, I think, yeah.
No, I think, no, okay. I think it's, bro.
Over 18. Right, one over 18.
That's actually a keeper, bro.
Okay, we'll go back and look. It's all right. I'll tie that rope on there. Yeah.
And whenever I try that, they're like, nope.
Yeah, but look, come here, come here. Got him, see?
Okay.
Bluegill. Oh, it's a big crappie. Oh my gosh.
I'm like, I'm losing.
It's a big crappie. He didn't even fight at all. I thought it's a small bluegill. Look at the screen, bro. It's completely filled.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, it's completely filled, dude. Just dropped right behind the motor.
Alright, I'm on the wrong side.
There you go, guys. First good slab for us. So gold and pretty. Yep. That dude didn't even fight, bro. He just like came up like a piece of paper. Got him. That's a good one, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. No, don't lose it. Swing it in. Swing it, swing it. Yeah, dude. There we go. Oh my god, that's a slab, bro. Good eats, good eats.
How are you measuring these?
Oh, I think they're more than 10 much.
I think so too.
We can throw it in here if you want to. Grab them out.
No, that one's huge.
Yeah, mine is pretty big too. I'm pretty sure they're more than 10.
This thing is a
Yeah, they're more than 10.
Are you kidding me?
Oh
That's
yeah, look.
11.
11 and 11 and a quarter. They tried to jump it, they killed themselves. This is at least 11. Yep, 11 exact. No, 11 and
11?
yeah, 11 and a quarter too.
Yeah.
Yep.
Gosh, dude.
Yep. Yeah, that glass is there so they don't hit their head on that metal thing so much. Hold on. Do it again. Do it again. So here just called a big one, right? 13's right there, all 12's right here, so that's 11 and a half. Slabs, bro. Got him. Yeah. Figure it out. Come on, give me a big one. Oh, it's a crappie. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, drop shot crappie. It's not a keeper though. Yeah, it's like. Yep. Drop shot coming in clutch. I guess I am useful. Let me get the bumper real quick. Gotta be 10 inches to keep. Oh yeah, we got 10 and a quarter. 10 and a quarter, that's a keeper. Ah, I am useful, huh? Yeah, maybe they just want live meat, you know? I'm just casting into random areas. Yeah! There we go. That's a bluegill. Yep. Running in circles. It's a pretty gill too. Look how orange it is.
Oh shoot, this flies are crazy.
I know, it hurt, right? Yeah. Horse flies, dude. I got one little tiny hook, bro. So what I'm doing here is I'm tying up a drop shot rig. Seems to be the trick. I'm catching fish. The crappie bite is slow, but they're big, so we'll take it. Got them. These guys. It's a better fish. It's a better fish, that's for sure. Oh, it's just a fighter. It's one of those darkest bluegills. Yeah, it's so colorful, dude. So nice. Yeah, they're loaded over here, man. Look at that. Oh, look at this guy, dude.
Oh.
Oh, look how gold he is. Yeah. That's crazy. That's nice. Okay, you want it? Pretty thick.
Yeah, keep him.
Keep him for good luck, y'all.
It's a good size.
Dude's huge. They like the drop shot. Oh, see, I just got hit. The little guy. Ah, oh, what?
I just missed it.
Yeah, super tiny dude, man. Oh, yeah. It's so deep. Oh, it's a perch! Just for you, Pierre! It's a perch!
Yeah.
What the heck?
Yeah.
No size on these, right?
No, I don't think so. Just catfish.
Man, you going in our stomach. Look, you see, that's how you know they're coming in deep. You see their bladder coming out?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're in 20 feet of water, so he's a goner. Jeez, almost went in the water. Yep, he's a goner. Yung bladder, there he goes. The bladder's sticking out, so pretty much goner.
Like, yeah.
Oh, okay. There we go. Oh, it's a nice one. That's a nice one. Yep, that's a good one. It's a bluegill. That's okay. They're just fighters, dude. They just fight so hard. Yeah, it's still pretty good. Just, we don't need any more of these. Yeah.
I get more bites when I got the low, but I'm like...
There's a lot of fish still. Yep, it's a good one. I think it's another perch.
The perch?
I think so, yeah. Oh, it's a bluegill. That's a big bluegill. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's pretty nice.
You're getting all the ones from the bottom.
Yep, look at this.
Yeah, that's not bad.
That's not bad at all. It's like an 8-incher. Let's see. I'm hooked.
Okay, on. Really good.
Yeah, probably got. Not that we have to measure, but I just want to see. Oh yeah, look, 8.5. It's a good eater right there. Going on the grill tonight with the homeboys. Good.
Yeah.
All right.
I feel excited.
Yeah.
Also, the storm's coming. My bones can feel it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Dude, I'm telling you, man.
Yep.
I'm like one of those old monk people now.
Yep. I know what you mean. That's a nice one, dude. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, dude, look at that guy. Look how thick his back is, dude.
So pretty.
Yeah, but we're gonna let this one go. We got a lot already. Wow, look how purple it is.
Pink?
Oh, that was on too.
Oh, this one's pretty strong.
Dude, these right here, if you want to eat the whole thing, man, this is freaking amazing. They're so beautiful. See ya. Yeah. Oh my gosh, where's the one? What is it? What is it? That's a good one, dude. Oh, dude. Oh, that's a pumpkin seed. That's nice. Oh, jeez. Yep, that's it. 4-pound test.
My tea. Relax. Tomorrow's raining anyway. Okay.
Alright, now it's time to clean our bucket of fish. Nice lad. Yep, living the dream, guys. Up north, catching fish, eating good. Oh yeah, that's nice. Which way? This way? Let's set up over here. Alright, so we are in here. Let's see if we can brighten it a little bit. So we got ourselves some nice crappie. I was gonna say crayfish. Nice crappie. Beautiful fish. Ready to be... We're not filleting these. We're actually gonna scale them and cook them whole. So that is really cool. Nice crappies. There you go. Beautiful fish. Wow. Alright, cool. Man, these are some nice crappie, guys. So we got some nice bluegills too, which we'll show later. And a nice perch. Got a perch. See that? Nice dark water perch. 20 feet of water. Start the process. Pretty cool. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. So we scale flying everywhere. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna scale them, right? Take this knife, scale them real quick, and then gut them, toss the gut. We're gonna deep fry the whole thing. Hopefully. We don't have a big enough pan, but we're gonna try. At least with the crappies. The bluegills might just fillet and deep fry, whatever. But crappies, oh jeez. It scared the crap out of me. The crappies are gonna have to be scaled, keep the skin on, and deep fry. So, yep, beautiful fish right here. Yeah, get some pictures. So I do have to hurry because the storm is coming. That's why we hopped off. Oh, okay, they're still alive. Ah, stop. Y'all are still alive, eh? Scale them real quick. Take a knife, scale. I'm gonna turn this DSLR up because I'm gonna turn that DSLR off because you guys already know what I'm doing. Just scaling. It's nice that I can scale and clean fish, not in my house, you know. I get yelled at all the time. Crappie skins come off so easy. I mean, crappie scales, they come off so easy, dude. It's so nice. There's fish scale everywhere. So I guess I'll add on to it. Whatever. Ah! You, sir, need to go next. You are crazy. Alright, we have scissors now. It'll make our life a lot easier. Oh yeah, there you go. Just take the thing right off. With some water. Man, these fish are so fresh. So fresh. Absolutely amazing. You don't gotta worry about worms, disease, or nothing. These fish are so fresh. Pop the bevel. Okay, here you go. You know what? I'm actually gonna cut these because I really don't care for them. So what you want to do is you want to cut these pokey stuff off just to get it out the way, you know. Even though like you deep fry, you can eat it. I don't care for it yet. Same with the tail. I know some people like to leave it on, but we're catching so much fish that I don't feel like it needs to be on here. So yeah. It's on dick. Check off. It's totally flat. They're ready to go. Yeah, we're gonna cook them. We're probably gonna just pan fry maybe just the 2 medium ones, but the big ones we're gonna bag it up, save for tomorrow. So there's a thunderstorm tomorrow, so we might not be able to like fish tomorrow, and that's just how it is. You know, it's just Mother Nature. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna put these away, fillet the bluegills real quick, and we're gonna go back inside because, like I said, it's gonna start raining. So.